Okay, whenever you start a reading test, it's a good idea to take a look at the title of the passage. So, title says green roofs. What do you understand? Like on top of your roof, you have grass, vegetation, plantation, and all that. It doesn't mean paint your roof green. No, it means some sort of greenery on top of the roof. You know, kitchen gardening on top of the roof, this is very common concept now. So green roofs means they are going to tell us about plantation, grass, or anything, the benefits of green roof and all that stuff, right? Now, after this, we come to questions. Questions 1 to 5. Which paragraph contains the following information? Should we start from there? No, because these 5 questions need 5 rounds of the passage. So, if you are going to start with that, it will eat all your time. And then you'll be confused, you'll be worried. So, it's not a good idea to start from there. Questions 6 to 9, complete the summary below. Should we start from there? Absolutely. Because completion questions and their answers in the passage, they are in order. So you can easily find the answers, okay? Then we have multiple choice questions, questions 10 to 13. So first we will start with summary completion. Then we will do multiple choice questions, and finally we will do which paragraph contains the following information. Okay, this order is very important. If you start with first 5 questions, your reading test will end up in a disaster. You'll say, oh God, I don't know what to do now. 5 questions, 5 rounds of passage. If you don't find the answer, you will do the second round, third round, this paragraph. That will boggle your mind, okay? So let's make a start. Question 6 to 9. Complete the summary below. Choose one word only from the passage for each answer. Advantages of green roofs. So we are going to find a paragraph that contains advantages of green roof. City rooftops covered with greenery have many advantages. These include lessening the likelihood that floods will occur. Now go back, look for the word floods and all that. And by the way, you need to start from paragraph A. Can you see the word flood anywhere? Advantages? Okay. So it means this is the location. First, you need to find the location. Then you need to read the question. And then you will find the answer. Okay. Now we read the question. They say one thing is floods will occur. Reducing how much money is spent on dash. Now underline how much money is spent on what? How much money is spent on what? So where do they spend money? Okay. Now I'm reading after floods. Rather I'm reading this line. Okay, paragraph A, third line after full stop. Among the benefits are saving on energy costs. Cost, what does it mean? How much money is spent? So what will be the answer? Energy. Well done. Saving on energy cost. And then they talk about floods and all that. So correct answer is energy. Okay, now we've got question number 7. In many cases, they, what do they mean by they? Green roofs. Yeah, lawns. So they means green roofs can also be used for producing. Same paragraph, look for the synonym of producing, and that is growing. Making habitats for urban wildlife. Correct answer is? No. Read on. Tackling air pollution and even growing food. Now, what is the synonym of growing in the question? Producing. And what will be the answer? Food will be the right answer. Growing food or producing food. So, correct answer is food. Now, encircle food and write there 7. Because that is the answer of question number 7. Let's go on. Question number 8. It's a separate paragraph. So it means you need to go to a different location. Anyways, There are also social benefits of green roofs. Social benefits of green roofs. For example, medical profession. Now look for the word medical, doctor, medicine, medical, doctor, medicine, and all that. Okay, paragraph B, fourth last line after full stop. Doctors are increasingly. Found it? Now what is this? This is the location. Now we read the question. So, medical profession recommends dash as an activity to help people cope with mental health issues. Now, which activity do the doctors suggest to cope with mental health issues? I'm reading it. Doctors are increasingly prescribing time spent gardening outdoors for patients dealing with anxiety and depression. Now, what is anxiety and depression? Mental health issues. And what do they recommend? Gardening. So, answer is gardening. Okay, let's go on. Question number 9. Studies have also shown that the availability of green spaces can prevent physical problems such as, now first they talked about mental problems, now physical problems, same paragraph, second last line, and research has found it? Second paragraph, second last line, and research has found that access to even the most basic green spaces can provide a better quality of life for dementia sufferers. Now, dementia, is it a mental problem or physical problem? It's a mental problem, okay? Memory loss. And help people avoid obesity. Now, is it a physical problem? It's a very physical problem, okay? So, correct answer is obesity. Right? Or obesity or obesity. So correct answer for question number 9 is obesity. Now see that you've done with 4 questions, you found 4 answers, you will be confident about it, right?